I got a new toy for the van. I think you're really gonna like it. Check it out. It's a cool way to have fried food when you're out on the road. Just so you know a little about my electrical system, I have a shore power setting, which we're not connected to right now. I have a solar charger with 200 watts of solar panels on the roof, and I have a 2,000 watt inverter to supply my AC power. And in this box here, I have two 100 amp AGM batteries. So far I've used my power pretty liberally and never had a problem. Right now it says my batteries are about half charge, and I got about 12.1 volts coming in from the sun. It's still early in the morning. It jumps up to about almost 14 volts when the sun's directly overhead. But we're gonna give it a shot with the air fryer and see how it comes out. So here's the air fryer all set up and ready to go. The packaging for the French fries says preheat oven to 425, but I've discovered you want to bring them up to temperature, so I'm going to preheat it to about 320 just for a few minutes, and put the French fries in, take it up to 400, and let it go from there. Okay, you can see that the preheating light went out, so I'm going to put the French fries in there right now. You take it out, it shuts off, so that's pretty good. And it has little feet to sit on, plus I'm resting it on the sink. So we'll put some French fries in there. So it's about half full. That's probably 2 servings. It also recommends spraying them with a little oil, so I'm spraying them with a little olive oil from Publix. Toss them around, and then put it back in. And now I'm going to put it on for about 10 minutes, and I'm going to bump the temperature up to close to 400. And we'll see how it goes. Okay, so the French fries have been in about 5 minutes, and I've learned that if you take them out and shake them up a little bit, they'll come out more crispy at the end. So let's do that. They're starting to look like French fries. Okay, so they've been in a little longer than just under 15 minutes. I had to reset the clock. I did open them a couple times and shake them around, but that's what the recipe book says to do also. And I think they come out pretty good. So I'll dump them out onto the thing here. And this is the fast food style French fries from Publix. I didn't bring any salt out, but I did bring some ketchup out, so hopefully you can see them there. And let's try them. They're hot. It smells good. And let's see. They're crispy in there, so not bad. You hear me chew them. Solar powered French fries. I highly recommend this air fryer. I got it for $29. They come in different colors. That's really what caught my eye, because it matches the gray motif I have in the van. Here's another option to cook while you're traveling. Check it out. Give it a shot. I'll put a link to where to buy these. They're on Amazon, they're Walmart. I'll also put links to my solar system in the description. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you will get notifications when I post new videos. And follow the travels of Stan the Van.